Starting over from the scratch. Well, guess who is in charge now? In charge now. Finally I own the remote control and mute the word sound. The word sound. I let him talk and pull me through my pet peeve. I said enough, get to take another path. Good or bad, it's up for me to choose. And yes, I might regret. Oh no, 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 no. Make mistakes, the start of the growth. You're free not to accept or respect my choices. I don't need you to accept, I just want you to respect my choices. I don't need you to accept, I just want you to respect my choices. Hard to retrieve the freedom as long as I'm held in the cotton wool. Nevertheless, they're acting like they know me better than I do. I'm feeling this inner pace burning up. I wanna run at full speed towards the light. Good or bad, it's up for me to choose. And yes, I might regret. Oh no, 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 no. Make mistakes, the start of the growth. You're free not to accept or respect my choices. I don't need you to accept, I just want you to respect my choices. I don't need you to accept, I just want you to respect my choices. I don't need you to accept, I just want you to respect my choices. I
sipping an overcame. We're far from where we started, when things were getting harder. I'm trying to feel your pain. I know I'm pretty stubborn, but you're also pretty stubborn. I'd never talk about our next move, and it's getting old. This is a bad one. Yeah, this is a bad one. Yeah, this is a bad one. Yeah, this is a bad one. From sprinting to sleeping and watching the deep end. And all those kids know how to swim, and that's fine. Yeah, that's fine, 'cause they don't know. Oh, oh. No, they don't know. Oh, oh. They don't know. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, they don't know how deep it goes. This is a bad one. Yeah, this is a bad one. Yeah, this is a bad one.
surprise that I meant to you since high school, but you fucked it up, ghosted me a couple times. Make up your mind, I can't take no more. Is it yes or no? Just say that one word, I'll leave you alone afterwards. I'll throw the white flag. I give up on you then she was like, no way, I'm losing you for doubting Cupid. Most days I drove back home and damn stupid. No more night, it is crystal clear, no one can deny. You're my ride or die, my ride or die, my ride or die, my ride or die. You're my ride or die, my ride or die, my ride or die, my ride or die. I wrote a note, slide it in your locker, I hope you like it. Bubblegum popped in your face, you still look okay. Do I still take the next step, or should I just stand by it, darling? I'll throw the white flag, a flag. I give up on you then. It was like, no way, no way, I'm losing you for doubting Cupid. Most days I drove back home and damn stupid. It is crystal clear, no one can deny. You're my ride or die, my ride or die, my ride or die, my ride or die. No way, I'm losing you for doubting Cupid. Most days I drove back home and damn stupid. No more lies, it is crystal clear, no one can deny. You're my ride or die, my ride or die, my ride or die, my ride or die. First off, that's not for the faint-hearted. Are you down? Climb on board if the mindset relates to yours now. Catch fears, it tears up like it was just a slice of cake. Someday you need to give your opponent the handshake. So attached to who you are not, you were caught in the moment. All of a sudden, be my guest, I wish you the best. It's first of the habit, take it or leave it. Once in a lifetime, fuck off the bar and follow your own way. They ain't always right, just try to keep your tiger in cage. Once in a lifetime, once in a lifetime, once in a lifetime. Fuck off the part and follow your own. Shared highs with someone I don't even know, but I like it. Thank God my faith's been fully restored, now united. No turning back, so it's never too late to start over. For so long I was so damn really scared to grow older. Now will not be forever, yeah, don't be full of nothing. So disappointing, be my guest, I wish you the best. It's first of the habit, take it or leave it. Once in a lifetime, fuck off the bar and follow your own way. They ain't always right, just try to keep your tiger in cage. Once in a lifetime, fuck off the rules, follow your own way. They ain't always right, just try to keep your lion in
I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know, yeah. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel, yeah. I just wanna see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing, no. I've been trying to stay afloat, I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know, yeah. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel, yeah. I just wanna see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing.
I'm so far from perfect, but that's perfectly fine. Might not be where I'm going, but I'll be there in time. Some days know what I want, some days it's hard to decide. But the journey gave me reason to rhyme, fall 8 times. Please believe that there's 9 times I rise, cause the spirit is strong. Even if the way I said it, way I did it was wrong, I find peace cause in form I won't be here for long. I wanna live, I wanna love, I wanna give, I wanna shrug off the mistakes and be strong, cause it takes that and then some. Triumph, redemption are well rooted in failure, hence why we shall all grow like azaleas. It's a gift, whatever cards they deal ya. If you sing your song with your heart, they gon' feel ya. Nothing more precious or held in more reverence than walking your path and living in your lessons, right?
I've been trying to stay afloat, I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know, yeah. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel, yeah. I just wanna see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing, no. I've been trying to stay afloat, I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know, yeah. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel, yeah. I just wanna see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing, no.
Ain't no surprise that I'm into you since high school, but you fucked it up, ghosted me a couple times. Make up your mind, I can't take no more. Is it yes or no? Just say that one word, I'll leave you alone afterwards. I'll throw the white flag. I give up on you then she was like, no way, I'm losing you for doubting Cupid. Most days I drove back home feeling damn stupid. No more night, it is crystal clear, no one can deny. You're my red or die, my red or die, my red or die, my red or die. You're my red or die, my red or die, my red or die, my red or die. I wrote a note, slide it in your locker, I hope you like it. Bubblegum popped in your face, you still look okay. Do I still take the next step, or should I just stand by it, darling? I'll throw the white flag, a flag. I give up on you then. It was like